How's it going, GITV? My name is Tim. I have something very important to tell you about Canada legal airsoft guns. Until recently, the only airsoft guns that we could ship into Canada had to have clear plastic bodies or smoked furniture or something to distinguish it from a real gun. However, recently the Canadian Border Services Agency has redefined how they classify airsoft guns that's going to allow us to ship you realistic full metal bodied airsoft guns. Basically, as long as the gun shoots between 366 and 500 FPS, it is now classified as an uncontrolled firearm. Now I know that sounds scary, but what it basically means is you don't need any special licenses or permits to import or export uncontrolled firearms across the Canadian border. Now I would say that a majority of our airsoft guns that we sell on Airsoft GI already shoot within that range. So if you're interested in any of those guns, go ahead and put it into your shopping cart and check out like a normal Airsoft GI order. However, if you're interested in a gun that shoots below 366 FPS, we have a Canadian compliant upgrade in our upgrade section that you can upgrade that gun so that it's Canada legal. In fact, if you try to check out with a gun that shoots below 366 FPS, our website will automatically prompt you to upgrade the gun. Pretty cool, eh? Now I'm talking mostly about AEGs here. Some guns can't be upgraded like spring shotguns and what have you. Whatever they shoot is whatever they shoot. Now like I said, a majority of our airsoft guns are already Canada compliant. For the ones that aren't, we do have the upgrade section, and there's a very small percentage of guns that just can't be shipped across the border no matter what. Now I know this seems kind of confusing. If you have any questions with regards to the products or ordering, give our customer service department a call during our business hours. But if you have any questions about Canada and their import-export laws, we're going to have a link to the Canadian Border Services Agency website in this video's description. That should pretty much cover the basics about how we can now ship to Canada. We're really excited about this at Airsoft GI. I hope you Canadian customers are just as excited about this as we are. My name is Tim. Thanks for watching GITV. We rolling? Rolling, 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 what? Rolling, rolling. Is Fred Durst from Canada? I think he is, isn't he?
I believe so. Him and Avril Lavigne.
Avril Lavigne's from Canada?
Yes. She's about as Canadian can be.
Is she?
She wakes up and has Canadian bacon with her husband, the guy from Nickelback.
Is the Nickelback guy from Canada?
Yes.
He is?
Yes.
Everyone's from Canada. Except for us, I guess.
Except for pretty much everybody we know.
Except for everyone that's not from Canada.
Right, which is
everyone.